Hey up and coming innovators! Gear up for an incredible hands-on experience with the latest kit from Schogini Toys, designed to turbocharge your journey into the world of electronics and coding. This all-in-one kit is prepped and wired, just waiting for you to bring it to life. Simply pop in 3 AA batteries, flick the switch, and boom, your very own infrared intruder alarm is operational. Ready for some action? Hit the reset button to activate the alarm system. Experiment by bringing objects close to the IR sensor and watch the alarm kick into action. But wait, there's more. You can even set it up so that the alarm sounds when objects move away. How cool is that? Transform this gadget into a standout science project by integrating it into a custom model cutout. It's a fantastic way to make your school project shine. Keep innovating, and remember, we at Schogini Toys are cheering you on every step of the way. Cheers to your creativity, the Schogini Toys team.